Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you miscellaneous explanation. Means in short we can say that this is your revision class. So let's start. Students, firstly I tell you word meaning and question answers will be asked from your books. The word meaning which is given in your book. For example, suppose Picardy, a region in northern France, exaggerated more than what was usual or necessary. These types of word meaning which is given in your book will be asked, okay, from your book. The word meaning which is given in your book, okay, the word meaning which is given in your book will be asked in your exam, okay. And the next thing is that question answers which are given in your books will be asked. Suppose once inside the room, how did speaker move and act? Why? How did speaker close? Then I did not dare to get into the bed. Then the speaker was awakened. In these types of questions, suppose in this chapter questions are asked. In this way, the questions which are in your lessons will be asked in your exams. So, in word meaning, questions answer of your book will be asked in your paper. Next thing is that exercises which are given in your book will be asked, okay. And next thing is that poem, only one poem is taught to you, so you should prepare poem, 8 lines poem, and central idea of this poem. I have taught you central idea of this poem. When I was teaching, means when I was explaining the central idea of the poem, you were provided a PDF, but if you have not written the central idea of the poem, then you should prepare the central idea of the poem, okay. Dorothy Brown Thompson was an American writer, okay. In this poem she pays a tribute to Myers. In this way, these lines are related to your central idea of the poem, okay guys. And next is what kinds of word meaning and what kinds of question answers will be asked, okay. So in short we can say that question answers also will be asked from your book. So today we will discuss a lot of, and students, the next thing is that not only word meaning and question answers will be asked, but you should read the chapter very carefully, because few lines will be given to you, and from these lines you will be asked questions, okay. Suppose you are one or two lines will be given to you, and you will have to give the answer the questions which I have given to you to find out the answer from that passage, okay. So today's class is based on your revision class. You are advised or you are instructed, if you find any kinds of problem related to the revision class or related to your exam, you should consult to me. You can clear your doubt. Okay guys, means word meaning you should prepare from your book, questions answer from your book, exercise from your book, and stanza or passages will be provided in your paper from your book, and from that passage or stanza few questions will be asked. Okay, and next thing is that learn poem, 8 lines poem. Next thing, central idea of the poem. Learn central idea of the poem. Okay, and few lines will be given to you, and from that you will have to find out, and exercise which are given to you. So I have already told you that chapter 1st to 3rd, question answer, word meaning, exercise. Okay, you should prepare, and I have uploaded and send you PDF of exercise and question answer also. You should note down these question answers in your CW copy, and exercise you should fill in your copy. Okay guys, exercise should be filled in your book. This is your poem, this is your central idea. So you should complete chapter 1st to 3rd. Anyhow, you will have to complete concept and you will have to get good marks. Anyhow, you will have to get good marks. Nobody should leave any questions. You have to write neat and clean. Answer should be clear. Okay, your handwriting should be clear, your answer should be clear, and you have not to leave any questions. You will have to attempt all the questions. Okay guys, then you can get good marks.